Hello everyone, today we will make this multicolor flower pendant design. For making this I am using pearl cotton threads, glue, scissor, plier, 11 number crochet hook, jump ring and starch. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet. I will make total 9 single crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 9 single crochet. Now I will tighten the thread. And connect it to the by slip stitch. Now one chain in same stitch, one more single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, in next stitch 2 single crochet. So I will make 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete my work by getting 19 single crochet all around. I have completed my work. Now connect to the first stitch by slip stitch. Now I will add another color and make a chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Skip 3 chain, in fourth chain 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in last 1 single crochet. Connect to the next stitch by slip stitch like this. Now in next stitch I will add another color and chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Skip 3 chain, in fourth I will make 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 double crochet, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in next stitch 1 half double crochet, in last 1 single crochet and connect in next stitch by slip stitch. So we will get these type of petals. I will follow same pattern all around and connect another colors and complete my work. I have completed my work by making all petals in different colors. Now I will cut the thread. Here it is. Now I will take all the threads from back side to up side. here. Like this, I will take all the threads upside. Now I will apply starch back side of these petals. Now we will make the center part of flower. Let's start with magic ring. One chain, one single crochet, second single crochet, third. I will make total 8 single crochet in this ring and complete my work. I have completed 8 single crochet. Now I will take the thread and connect to the first stitch. By slip stitch. Next round, one chain in first stitch, 2 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet, next stitch 1 single crochet, in next stitch 2 single crochet, in last stitch 1 single crochet. Connect to the first single crochet by slip stitch. Next round, one chain, in next stitch 1 single crochet, in second 1 single crochet. In this round I will make 1 single crochet in each stitch and complete my work. I have completed my work. Now connect to the first stitch by slip stitch and cut the thread. With the help of glue, I will adjust this thread inside. Now I will paste it in center part of flower with the help of glue and let it dry. Now our pendant is ready. I already made the earrings of this set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.